Jana's on the phone here, and I'm recording it, and my cat's right here, and we are in one state, and Jana is in another state, and I just wanted to show you when she talks through the phone how my cat responds to it, like when she makes the sounds that he likes when she's around, because it's her cat. But hey, Jana, are you ready? Oh, okay. I think the camera kind of picked it up. Oh yeah, I used to suck on her knuckles and earlobes and stuff. Okay, here's the sound of Jana talking to the cat. Okay, go ahead, Jana. You like that sound? Oh, he's biting the phone. He's marking his territory on the phone, right? It's kind of like it proves that an animal can recognize a voice through a speaker.
Yeah, that's really neat.
Yeah, like he heard you. He doesn't look like he's wondering where you are. He kind of like looks like he knows about what a phone is now. Cause I'm gonna do it one more time, but I'm gonna put the phone on the ground somewhere else, and you make the sound, and I'll walk away and see if he does it. Okay? Okay. Here. Okay. Make the sound. Keep doing it. Keep doing it, Jana. Her sister is gonna think she's crazy and that she's purring like a cat in the where she's sleeping tonight. Her family is gonna be like, "What is the sound is she making?" Oh, the cat left. Oh, well, you know, okay, you can stop. But hey, Jana.
Yeah, did he?
No, he didn't even. He like kind of walked away.
Oh, really? Oh.
Yeah, want to try it on a different cat?
Well, none of the other cats are like...
Okay, you ready? Okay, okay, start making the sound is right by your ear right now. Hey, Janet. Totoro didn't even flinch. I think she might be mentally handicapped, a mentally handicapped